$90 million, Liverpool decides to announce Brazilian striker to replace Luis Díaz. The idea is to sign him if Luis Díaz is sold in this European football transfer window. Luis Díaz may leave. Liverpool have already started work on the new European season and are working towards reinforcements in the market. However, as always, the Reds' performance in the window is always more restrained. The team's idea is to keep its main stars, such as Van Dijk and Arnold, both of whom are expected to leave. The team has been working on renewing both stars and hopes to announce news soon. Another player who has been tipped to leave is Colombian Luis Díaz, a target for Barcelona and Saudi Arabian football teams since last month. In the midst of this, Liverpool have already decided who should replace him. Liverpool imposes condition to advance for Brazilian. According to an investigation by the Liverpool Echo, Arne Slot wants Igor Paixão, one of his key players at Feyenoord, at Anfield. However, the board will only invest in another winger if they lose a winger. At the moment, Díaz is the most likely name to leave, although Liverpool want him to stay. Therefore, the idea is that Paixão could arrive at Liverpool if the Colombian is in fact negotiated. However, with speculation having cooled in recent weeks, the trend is that the striker will remain at the Merseyside Giants and be available to Slot. Igor Paixão is a product of Coritiba and has been shining in the Netherlands for at least 2 seasons, posting excellent numbers and being speculated by teams such as Milan, in Italy. The Brazilian is valued at €14.5 million, almost 90 million Brazilian reals. If you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss the next videos.